Dear students of class 10, now I'll show you how to find mean by direct method. For this, these are the formula measures of central tendency. Mean is equal to summation x by n. This way you have calculated mean before. Now here you see mean, three way we can calculate mean. One is direct method, another shortcut method, and another one is step deviation method. Let us now learn finding mean by direct method. Three formulas are there. Mean equal to summation x by summation f. Mean is equal to summation fx by summation f. Mean is equal to summation fx. Here see, few values are there: 6, 9, 11, 12 and 7. This value you consider as x. That's why I have written here x. Then 6, 9, 11, 12, 7 I have written column wise. If you add all these values, this is called summation x. That means after adding you are getting this value. This is called sigma x or summation x. And n, that is the number of number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equal to 5. Now mean equal to summation x by n. Summation x value we got 45 here. So put the value. Value of n 5. So put here 5. 5 9s are 45. It is done. Now another sum. A is given. These are the A's. And frequency given. This 12 corresponding frequency 2, like this frequency are given. Then we have to find one column fx. This x into f. This A's I consider x and frequency this. So x into f, that is fx, we have to find. 12 into 2 here, 13 into 4 here, 14 into 6 here, 15 into 9 here, 16 into 8 here, 17 into 7 here, 18 into 4 here. After adding all these, we will get sigma fx or summation fx. After adding all this, we are getting 626. Now direct method mean formula, summation fx by summation f. So summation fx formula value is 626 we got put here, and summation f means add this column and get 40. So after adding all this f value, we are getting summation f. This 40 you put here. After calculating you will get answer. Another sum I have done by direct method. A is given 16 to 18, 18 to 20. So and here number of students also given, that I have considered here f. F means frequency. So mid value I have to calculate of this is 16 and 18. Mid value is 17. How to get? You add these two and divide by 2. Again add these two, divide by 2, you will get the mid value. Add these two, 20 plus 22, that is 42, divided by 2, that is 21. Like this, after adding this to divide by 2, you will get this. Add this 2 and divide by 2, you will get this. So this is x, mid value. Then fx we have to find. One more column, that f into x. 2 into 17 here, 7 into 19 here, 21 into 21 here, 17 into 23 here, 3 into 25, 75 here. After adding all this, we will get fx. Here fx, after adding all this, we will get summation fx. So summation fx or sigma fx value is this. How do I get this? After adding all these value. Now direct method mean formula, summation fx by summation f. That is equal to summation fx we got here 1074 here, and summation f after adding this column, after adding all this, we have got 50. So put here 50. After dividing, we are getting the answer. That's all for this video.